You an update on Theta. Lovely altcoin here. We're going to be looking at this from a market structure perspective. Price predictions for this will be coming through at the end of the video. How much money you could be making if you're holding this now. Key buying areas as well. And essentially, as I was just saying, price predictions for the next 6 to 12 months for this asset. So just starting off with Theta in terms of a market structure perspective, guys, we are obviously in a very lovely bull market. Lovely uptrend here. Very parabolic. In my opinion, we need to be very cautious of prices going parabolic. If you're new to the channel, the analogy that we use here, if you're climbing Mount Everest, guys, if you're climbing Mount Everest, you need to stop at base camp 1 for a little bit of food, a bit of water. When I say you need to stop at base camp 1, I mean you need to consolidate, you need to relax, you need to go to sleep. Because if you want to get to the top of the mountain, you can't just do it in one straight parabolic hit, or otherwise you're going to crash and you're going to die, okay? So what we're looking for here is a nice bit of consolidation, which we are getting for Theta, which is very healthy in terms of this uptrend. Talking about market structure right now, this is very important because the previous higher low, confirmed higher low that we have seen is actually all the way down at 170, guys. 170, very crucial here. We do have a pullback, a significant pullback down to $2.40 there. But unfortunately, we haven't broke the high. So this does not confirm this as a higher low just yet. And it's an unconfirmed higher low. So even if we do come down all the way to this level at 179, 175, then we're technically still in this lovely uptrend, okay? So just be aware of price fluctuations here, especially coming to the halving for Bitcoin of around 40%. If that is going to happen, then just hold strong, I guess, if you're already in Theta. But what I would say here is there is going to be a very nice buy zone if we do come down to these levels. I don't think we're going to be withdrawing. Before we continue with this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency webinar that I am hosting every single day. And this is a simple 5-step strategy on how you can make a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days, okay? Every single attendee who attends this webinar will get a trading strategy worth $250, and also you'll be getting $300 worth of mindset trading strategies and abilities as well, given away on every single call here. And also, guys, guess what? It's completely free. So if this is something you're interested in, please go to the link in the description, or click up there, and you'll see a nice link to the cryptocurrency webinar where you can learn a brand new strategy for free. But that's it for now. Back to the video. 40% here. I think it's quite unlikely. I do think we're probably actually going to come up here. We're going to have a bull flag breakout scenario here, breaking not all-time highs, breaking highs for this current bull market. When that does happen, guys, we will confirm this as the higher low, okay? Which is a very good thing for us to be doing. So that's sort of what I would say here. In terms of the move here for Theta to the upside, this is going to be the measure move here, guys. And the move is probably going to consist of around 20% to the upside, okay? So very bullish overall. And yeah, that's what I would say about Theta overall here. Just looking at this chart here on the macro perspective, looking very bullish. Now let's get into a actually, let's bring up volume weighted ATR bands here, guys, because these are very crucial here to get sort of a bias as to where this asset is going to be going. So I'm just looking at this on the 12-hour here, guys. You can see the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band, this little bad boy here, and you can see a lot of support is being formed on this continuously. We are seeing candle body closes above the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, and also just testing that 12-hour as well. And we're in a breakout for this bull flag. So yeah, overall looking really bullish here. What I would like to see is this 60-minute volume weighted ATR band continuing this progressive stance. So you can see we've just turned to the progressive stance here for this volume weighted ATR band. If that carries on here and we do come up in price, we're likely to trend alongside it and have that continuation to the upside. And you can see the three days doing the same thing, the 12 hours doing the same thing, the 1 hour, and also the 4 hours. That's very bullish for us to have continuation to the upside if that is going to continue here for Theta. So looking really strong overall. Now let's get into a price prediction for Theta for the next 6 to 12 months or so. And let's be realistic with this, guys. Let's be realistic. So let's jump to CMC and let's get a nice all-time high for Theta from the previous bull market here. And that is going to be, if I can get my cursor on it properly, it's going to be $14.2 a coin. $14.2 a coin. And if we are going to be looking at that from an all-time high perspective from where we're currently trading at, guys, it's going to be ridiculous. 14.2, did we say? Yeah, 14.2 to the upside here. That is going to be essentially a 4.8x on your investment. 4.8x on your investment. Unbelievable stuff. So you basically a 5x, guys. If you put in $5,000, you're going to walk away with $25,000. Unbelievable stuff. This is likely to happen over the next 6 to 12 months or so. If you're looking for a buying area for Theta, what I would say is be patient. We're coming into the halving, guys. We're likely to see either sideways action or a bit of dumpage to the downside here. If that is going to happen, there's buying zones all the way along here. The most crucial and most obvious buy zone that I would be referencing here is going to be the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement from this high, and that is going to be basically priced at around $2.18 there. The buying opportunity from there is absolutely huge. If you were to buy there and you were to run it up all the way to previous all-time highs, that is going to be around a 6.5x on your investment, guys. Unbelievable stuff there. And this is likely to happen over the next 6 to 12 months or so. So yeah, just be cautious of that. One thing that I did want to touch on quickly as well for Theta is going to be this hidden bullish divergence, guys. Hidden bullish divergence tend to usually mean continuation to the upside here. So that's a very bullish sign again here for Theta. Things are looking up. We've got bull flags, we've got Fibonacci, we've got breakout scenarios. It's looking very, very, very strong overall here. And obviously that market structure point coming through for Theta as well. So yeah, overall, very bullish on Theta. But yeah, that's going to be the update. If you like the update, guys, make sure you slap a like on it. And also, if you never want to miss one of my updates, then make sure you press the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of my uploads. Simple as that. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. Hope you enjoyed the Theta update. Peace, and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.